Hey everybody, so today is a video about my current empties. In the month of July, I've had quite a lot that I've finished. Let's start with some personal care items. As you know, I'm transitioning to cleaner alternatives, hence these deodorant trials that I'm on. And I found a couple that I really like. Lafes is one of the ones that I really enjoy. I think this is a really good option for clean beauty lovers. It's mostly glycerin based. They have cornstarch, glycerin, silica, sort of among the first few, and it works decently for me. And then we have a toothpaste and toothbrush combo. Toothbrush is from PearlBar. They also sent me a toothpaste. I really enjoy the toothpaste. The toothbrush, need I say more? I don't think it holds up. I do think like it's nice to have compostable toothbrushes, and it's a great idea, but in practice this was a month of use and it's coming apart, and I'm not that aggressive at brushing my teeth, guys. So I would say save your money on the toothbrush, buy it from somewhere else, perhaps some other place that has sustainable toothbrushes that hold up a little bit better to time. I'm not prepared to replace my toothbrush monthly. I'm sure people do it, but I keep mine for at least 6 months. I take good care of my toothbrushes. It really should not be such a huge deal. And then toothpaste, this is one of my favorites, and it's been in my favorites previously. This is Clay Bright White from ZionHealth. This is a fantastic clay-based toothpaste, and I love natural toothpaste that are specifically clay-based. Clay-based toothpaste do not scratch your enamel. They really preserve your enamel. And this one has, I mean, it's based on hydrated silicate, glycerin, cocoa, kaolin clay is really the ingredient that does the brushing, and the flavoring is green tea extract, menthol, peppermint oil, and spearmint oil. So it still tastes really nice and fresh. It's gray in color, which is a little weird. It's a little gray in color. So, but once you get over it, it's really not a problem. And I really like this formulation. And currently I'm using the PearlBar one that came with a brush, and I really like the toothpaste far better than the brush. The brush did not work well. The toothpaste is clay and charcoal base, and it does work fairly well for me. Then let's talk hair. A couple products I'm going to pass to my mom and see if she can use, because I do not find good use for it. This is Rusk Bright Anti-Brassy Conditioner. And the shampoo of the same sort, like the purple one, this is the purple conditioner. Purple shampoo works okay. It's not the best, but it's not the worst. It's fine. The conditioner here, maybe it deposits some color into the hair shaft, but quite honestly, this does not work as a conditioner. It doesn't make my hair softer. It doesn't make it more brushable. It's still like a crow's nest on my head after I use the conditioner, and I'm used to conditioner being smoothing, and there are some clean conditioners out there that do that, and this one isn't clean and it does not do that. It doesn't really do very much for my hair. So I'm gonna give it to my mom and see how she likes it, and if she likes it, she can keep it, and if she doesn't, she can toss it. And same thing for Macademia Natural Oil Healing Oil Treatment. This is the oil treatment I've been using for a long time. This is half empty. It's been my favorites before, but I'm trading it in for a better model, basically. Macademia oil is a really nice brand, and they have quite good stuff for hair care. However, Moroccan oil is so much better than macadamia oil. This is a little too heavy even for my fried hair, so I'm having trouble figuring out who it would work for. Perhaps very coarse, a very textured hair it could work for. I have fine texture hair, but I have a lot of it, so I was assuming because mine is so fried and abused from, you know, dyeing it all the time, that this is better for me because it's nice and thick and nourishing, and it is, but I think it's too heavy for my hair texture. I'm gonna let my mom try it and see. She does have slightly coarser hair than myself, so maybe she will enjoy it better. Maybe ethnic hair would do better with that heavy oil. I don't know. Haven't tried. Let me know if you have. Then we have the Body Shop shower gel and pina colada scent. Not much to say about it. I keep buying them. I think I'm done buying them. I just need to get through my stash of these shower gels from the Body Shop, because, you know, they get those 50% off or buy one, get one free sort of deals, and I inevitably get sucked in. But I'm going to transition to cleaner shower gels, so I'm not going to be repurchasing, but they're very nice. as well as this guy. This I will miss from the Body Shop. I will go for cleaner options, but it's Moringa Body Butter. And their body butters are quite effective at moisturizing. And Moringa scent I've enjoyed for years, and I've been repurchasing these for years, so it's going to be difficult to give up, and I do recommend them. These are really good body butters at a very decent price. So I do recommend them, but I myself will not be repurchasing because I am looking for something cleaner than that. Let's move on to skincare. First and foremost, yay, finally finished this big bottle of serum, and this is Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. This is not for everybody. This is a kind of serum that works for absolutely every skin type, I feel. Because I know it works for oilier skin types. It's a bit more balancing. It's a bit more hydrating for drier skin types. It's kind of all things to all people, and it's very easy to use. So I do think this is fantastic value for money. And there is 50 mils here. So usually this, you know, serums, they will come in 30 ml bottles, just like everything else in makeup, I feel like, and skincare. But this one is 50, so it's a bit bigger. It lasted me a really long time. I think it's good value for money, and it does do, it's a good base serum. You know, if you don't have a particular problem you want to fight that day, this is the serum you go for, and it is very, very good quality. I'm looking for something more natural, but I would repurchase otherwise, and I have repurchased. This is not my first bottle that I finished. Then I have Pixi Hydrating Milky Mist. This was just meh. You know, they say before makeup, nighttime, anytime, whatever, and it's basically water and glycerin base and some other stuff in it. Not impressed with the ingredient list, not impressed with what it does. It's a glycerin based facial spray. You know, I have my MAC Fix Plus, and I don't think this is particularly different or better in any way. So moving on, not recommending that. This, however, was really great, and I would repurchase if it was clean. And it's Keilhs Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. This is such a classic. YouTubers and bloggers all over were raving about it at one point, and this is nice. I do agree, it's very good. It works under makeup for drier skin types. Loved it. Not going to repurchase, going to look for something cleaner, but within the same vein. And I would recommend it if you're not going super clean with your skincare. And then Clinique Take the Day Off Makeup Remover. This is my holy grail makeup remover. It's the best I've tried so far. There's some really good out there, really good makeup removers out there. And this is nice. I love this. And I love everything in that range. I like the liquid. I like the, you know, the putty. They're all really good, so I would repurchase it if it was cleaner. So I might repurchase it if I don't find an alternative right away, but I'll keep looking for a cleaner alternative, and I'll let you know. To the fragrances, we have to get through this. Fragrances: Aqua, Allegoria, Rosa Flora from Guerlain. Aqua Allegoria line is known for being very, very simple. This is a very simple fragrance, and it is a meaty rose and fruitiness. It's really pleasant and nice. If you like Cartier Lisse Rose, this is a much better version of the same kind of fragrance. So if you're looking to replace the really terribly lasting one, which I did a review on, so go look at my channel if you are looking for the Cartier Lisse Rose review. It's there. This one's much better. So Flora Rosa by Guerlain, really nice. Not going to repurchase, too simple, and it was fun while it lasted, but I'm done with it. We have Stella McCartney Stella. This one I have a full review on as well. Shorthand, not going to repurchase, but I think it's worth checking out if you're interested in that sort of fragrances. Look at the review separately. And then we have Shalimar Body Milk Parfum Initial. So this one is one of my favorite scents ever. I heard that they did discontinue it, which is a bit of a piss off, and I'm a little mad about that. But I have backups, so we're good, we're fine, it's gonna be okay. So Shalimar Parfum Initial, I do use, if I want to use this kind of a classic heavier scent, and if I want to use it in the summer, I go for the version that is body milk, because it's much lighter and it doesn't last as long on skin as does perfume. So those are the 3 perfume items. 1 nail item, which I've been loving, and this is OPI nail polish in the color Tickle My Fancy. I've purchased a full bottle of it, so you know it's worthy of your purchase. It's really great. And for makeup, I used up 2 mascaras. Clinique High Impact, not high impact. This is barely a tint. I didn't feel like it was worth my time. Then gifted by Tarte, I did like this. It was flaking ever so slightly in the mini, so I did buy a full size to try it out in the full size because sometimes they don't wear the same. But I liked the effect. It was a basic natural bristle brush and it was easy to use, and I did enjoy the mascara. So I'm going to be trying it in a full format and then reporting back, but so far positive. I feel positive about it. A couple of crayon products. This one I just gave up. If you're watching my project pan, hi, I gave up on this one finally. This is Ultimate Brow Highlighter from Wet n Wild. This is a good product, but I'm not reaching for that type of a product, so it's virtually useless. I'm not using it, so I think I'm gonna let it go. There's not much left, so no point in passing it on. It's going to end up as an empty for the year. This one is done though. This is Cruella by NARS. This is a good lip crayon, very nice neutral red. This is not what is on my lips right now, if you're wondering. This is done. It's been finished for a little while, and I'm happy about being finished with it, but I'm kind of sick of the formula. It started being a little too drying on my lips, and I have to say, cleaner options. Bite Beauty, go for that. So not going to repurchase. Bite is better. Then we have Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit. This is a really nice brow pencil. I really enjoyed the shape of it, the consistency of it, good spoolie on the back. I liked the packaging, it was cute. Completely done. It's one of those triangular, slightly thicker pencils. I would repurchase it, but I'm looking for a cleaner alternative. So these are quite good. You know, Benefit is very good with brow products. We all know that. But I'm going to definitely look for something cleaner because there are brands that are producing very similar products, but with a better, cleaner formulation. So give me a minute to find a better alternative, but if you really don't mind using Benefit, then this is a good one. And then finally, this little guy. This is a Youngblood, This is a Youngblood powder, and it's called Youngblood Light Mineral Rice Powder. There are 3 grams in here, so it wasn't quite a full size, but it was a good amount in there. I thought it was worth my time. It was a really, really nice powder, really great powder for dry skin. If you're looking for pristine, clean, wonderful, lovely ingredients, Youngblood will give you that. They're sort of on the luxury end of things in the natural beauty market or clean beauty market. And this powder is really, really good. It's very finely milled. It's extremely finely milled. So, and it's a loose powder, so you got to be careful with the application because I feel like you probably would be inhaling some of it. It's so finely milled. I like applying it with a puff. Lately, I've been really applying my powders with a puff and not with a brush, and I feel like that works so much better, even for my dry skin. If a powder is good texture for dry skin, it looks really lovely with a puff. So I do recommend you try it with any loose powder that you have. A light dusting with a puff does wonders and looks very, very nice. So Youngblood, definitely recommend. We'll look into it in the future, but right now I have to get through a lot of powders. So this is not on my immediate to repurchase list. It's completely empty, but it is on potential repurchases in the future list. So let's keep it on that list for now. That's it for today. I hope it was fun for you to see what I got through this month. What did you get through this month? And I feel like perfumes and makeup products are the most difficult to get through. So let me know if you've made dents or got through any of your perfumes. I'm always curious what people are using up because that means they're really using it on a heavy rotation, and I always want to know, what is it that you're using on a heavy rotation? Those tend to be the favorites, really. That's it for today. I hope it was fun for you to catch up. Good luck and have fun. See you later. Bye-bye.